Hello and welcome to this training session in cleaning surfaces and floors. At the beginning we have to pack this box. This is a 22-liter box. You have to pack one of these small boxes inside it. This is a 5-liter box. You have your cloth inside. You have also to pack your toilet cleaner, a glass cleaner and a universal cleaner. If you have a lot of surfaces with glasses, you also have this glass mop, two-side, and you have a frame that fits the mop. When you're going to clean surfaces like the bar or dining tables or chairs, you need the green cloth from Tork, the one with the holes, the disposable one. Fold the cloth, put on a little bit of universal soap, then you clean the tables. And you can turn the cloth, put a little bit more, and you can clean all the chairs. Please do not spray the surface cleaner directly on any surface. Put it into the cloth. If you have a lot of mirrors or glasses, you can use your frame and your handle. Then you take your glass mop, it's the gray one. You put it on the frame like this. Then you take your glass surface cleaner, spray it on the one side of the mop. And then you can use the mop, cleaning like this. Then you can turn the mop around and take the rest. Like this. Now I'm going to show you how to pre-prepare your mops for floor cleaning. Every time you have one mop, you need to have 2.5 deciliters of water and chemistry. I have here 10 mops, so I have 2.5 liters of chemistry and water, and I pour it into the box like this. I take my mops and I put them into the box like this, and they will soak up the water and the chemistry into the mop, and within about 4 to 5 minutes they are ready to use. Now we are ready for floor cleaning. You need your handle and you need your frame. You take one of the mops from the box. You put the frame inside the mop like this. Put the mop to the floor. Adjust the handle like this so it fits between your thin and your nose, and then you're ready for cleaning. Always clean the floor with the wet surface in front of you, and always in 8 numbers like this. When you're going to clean stairs like these ones, always remember to adjust your handle a little bit down. Then you go down 2 steps. Then you can wash the stairs like this, and you can flip them up like this, and you can take these surfaces like this, and then move to the next one. Take this one, flip up them up, and wash the next one like this. When you have been cleaning about 25 square meters, you can flip them up like this, and then you can continue washing about 25 square meters more. When you have to take off the mop from the frame, adjust the handle down, lift it up, and then there's this little snip here. Then you can pull it and the mop will fall down, and you can put it to wash. Please put it in a washing bag or a plastic bag and take it to the laundry.